Okay, boys, welcome to your English class. I am your teacher Khalil, and we are in Unit 5. The name of the unit is Let Measure. Let Measure. We are in Lesson 3. How did people measure long ago? Means when there were no rulers and things like this. How did they measure the things? How did they measure the things? So, in this lesson, today the day is Thursday and date is 29. How did people measure long ago? In this lesson, we are going to learn how to measure and say how long something is. Question number 1, measuring in ancient Egypt. Long ago in Egypt, people measured with their fingers and hands and arms. They used three things. For small things, they use their fingers. Something that is bigger than that, they use their hands. And in the last, the long things, they use their arms. As you can see in the picture, for width, they are using their finger, their hand, and their arm. These are the things they use to measure the things with. Because in the ancient times, in the old time, there were no rulers or stuff like to measure. Okay, how many finger long is the line? How many hands tall is this line? How many arms long is your table? So 6 finger long. How many long fingers? 6 fingers long. How many hands tall is this line? Less than 1. How many arms long is your table? 3 arms long. These are the answers of the questions that are given in the end of your page. So complete these answers. How many fingers long is the line? 6 fingers long. How many hands tall is this line? Less than 1. How many arms long is your table? 3 arms long. It is 3 arms long. Question number 2, measuring in ancient Rome. Measuring in ancient Rome. Long ago in Rome, people measured in footsteps by walking. How they measure? With the help of their footsteps. How long is the thing they use to measure their footsteps and use to understand that how long is something? Try it out. Measure your classroom in footsteps. How many footsteps long is it? It is 24 footsteps long. Ask your teacher to measure your classroom in footsteps. Is your teacher's answer the same as your answer? Why not? So we will say that teacher's answer is not same because teacher foot is bigger than us. That is why the answer of teacher is different from the answers of student. Measuring today. Today we use the metric system to measure. We use centimeters and meters. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. This line is 1 centimeter long. You can see here, nowadays how we measure, we use metric system. We use which system? Metric system to measure. We use centimeters and meters. For small things, we use centimeters, and for big things, we use meters. This one line is centimeter. This one line is centimeter. So if there is big things like a room, blackboard, How you are going to measure? You are going to measure in meters. And if there are small things like pencil, ruler, phone, eraser, you are going to use centimeters. Centimeters or meters. We use centimeters to measure small things. We use meters to measure big things. As I told you that when we are measuring small things, we will use centimeters. And when we are measuring big things like classrooms or hall, school hall, we are going to use we are going to use meters. Okay. So in 1 meter, how many centimeters we have? 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So that is why for small things we use centimeters, whereas for big things we use meters. What would you use to measure these things? Your school hall. School hall is big, like a room. So what we are going to use to measure school hall? Meters. What we are going to use? Meters. Circle meters. Okay. Our leaf. Our leaf is small. So we are going to measure for small things centimeters. Okay. Our pen. Our pen is big, so we are going to measure meters. For small things, we are going to use centimeters, whereas for big things, we are going to use meters. How long is it? Use a ruler to measure these pictures. How long is it? First of all, a paper clip. This is a clip to hold paper. How long it is? It's 3 centimeters long. It is 3 centimeters long. Let's measure a shell. A shell is 7 meters long. How many? 7 centimeters long. So write with me, boys. 7 centimeters long. Seven centimeters. Okay, a fish. A fish is 4 centimeters long. A fish is 4 centimeters long. A paintbrush. You can see the paintbrush is very long, so we will, after measuring, we get that paintbrush is so the brush is